Hi. You know that feeling when you're doing something exciting but also kind of heartbreaking? Well, today is that day. I have this 2024 Model 3 for almost a year and a half, but it's time for a change. I need something bigger. More space. The car is very dirty because outside is a big winter storm. Just checking the tires before I go on the road. Check this out, what's outside right now. Holy shit. And I'm supposed to go and pick up my new vehicle today. Nope. We'll see what's gonna be on Friday. Okay, so the car is kind of ready for trade-in. I'm gonna miss this car. It looks very cool. Okay guys, I got the ticket for the car wash, so we are taking my Model 3 for the one last bath. Okay, so the car wash is done and we are going home now, so I'll see you probably in the morning. The roads are pretty bad. Morning guys, here it is, she's ready. Clean and ready to go. Okay, so navigate to Tesla. 248 kilometers. See you there. Bye. Hey guys, we are on the last mile with my Model 3 and we are slowly approaching the Tesla dealership, so it's time. Few more minutes and we'll have a new car. There it is, Tesla dealership. Look at those beauties. Mr. Cybertruck. Let's find a parking spot. Okay guys, so we got here and this is my reaction for the new car. Holy shit. It's amazing. Wow. Let's go and check the Look at this. Wow, smells so nice. I'm super happy. Super happy. Welcome to my new Model Y, dual motor Model Y in Quicksilver color. I just love it. I'll show you around after. I'm just gonna go and finish my paperwork, and I'll chat with you in a bit. Okay, we just got this Cybertruck to go and register the new vehicle. It's kind of fun to drive this huge Cybertruck on the snow. Okay, I got my papers here, registration, so now we can go and finally pick up the vehicle. Bye for now. Okay guys, this is my new Model Y. I'll show you around because it's minus 15 outside and I'm freezing. Cameraman, is this approved? Cool. Okay, I'll show you after. Give me the camera. It's Quicksilver color, dual motor, all-wheel drive, long range, all that stuff. So we should go back home as soon as possible because it's really, really cold. Just fun driving home. Awesome weather. Can you see anything? Yeah. Worse than driving on ice, or I don't know, like I don't see anything. Should we just find a hotel room? Awesome delivery, Tesla, awesome. Okay, update. So we are stuck in the car right now. Highway is closed. We have 200 kilometers to home. So probably it's gonna be first camping in a Tesla. And also it's minus 18. We'll see. I'll sleep by supercharger. I'll keep you with the next update. Bye. Okay, new update. Seems that highway is open because everyone is leaving now. I hope you can hear me. Something is happening and I think the highway is open over there. So we'll see. We're just gonna go to the bathroom and we'll try to go home. Okay. Hey guys, new update. We have how many kilometers? 86 kilometers till home. The highway is shitty. Big lineup here, everyone is driving slow. So something is happening here. Very slow. Another update, 10 more kilometers and we are home, finally. One advice, don't get your Tesla delivered in winter. Cameraman, you agree? Good. Because if you do, it's gonna be the same, especially if you get delivered in Canada. Okay, another update when I get home. Bye. Hi, I just want to say this is next day. I was too tired to record another update that night. We got home safely. And I just want to say Model Y is super nice to drive. I will film another video with my impressions. And I just want to thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and like and share and all that stuff. And I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So see you in the next video. Bye.